Hey guys, what is up? This is Saurabh welcoming you back to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to give you my full review of zerobuster. So this product is all about starting an online business with absolutely $0. Yes, you heard it right. You can start an online business with $0 following the method which has been told inside this training course by Cynthia. So this business model is all about print on demand, where you're going to sell printed t-shirts, mugs, caps, etc. on a website called teespring.com. So you don't have to source any of the products, you don't have to purchase any of the products. That is what you're going to learn inside this training course, as to how you need to set up the store, how you need to set up the products, and how you need to make the earnings. And not only you're going to learn how to set up your store and everything, but you will also learn how to get the traffic to your pages, to your products. So in this video, I'm going to show you the members area of zerobuster. We'll be taking a look at the sales page, and I'll be also showing you my bonuses which I'm offering if you decide to pick up zerobuster using my link, which is in the description down below. And finally, we are going to talk about if this product is good for you or not. So without a further ado, let's jump straight inside the members area of zerobuster, and let's see what all is there inside it. So this is the members area, and these are all the different modules which you are going to get once you make the purchase. So you will get the welcome video, the walkthrough, the method. You're going to get disclaimer, the research as to how you need to do the product research, how you need to design the store, how you need to set it up. And not only it's just about setting up the store and setting up the pages, you also need to send out the traffic to those, and that is very well covered inside this product where Cynthia is giving you training on Instagram. So she has given her Instagram course. As you can see, it's a 6-part course which she is offering, and so you will learn how to send the traffic to your products, to your offers. And I have also got you covered through my bonuses, which I'll be showing you a bit later in the video. Next is the sales strategy, the results, and the conclusion. And along with that, you are also going to get few bonuses, the affiliate marketing course, the build your list fast and free, amazing video software, and freebie page. So these are the vendor bonuses. And now talking about the bonuses, once you click on the link in the description down below, it will take you to this particular page, and this is my bonus page. And make sure you get all the bonuses before the countdown timer runs out. And you just have to click on any of these buttons which are here, and that will take you to the secure checkout page on Warrior Plus, from where you can make the purchase. Now talking about the bonuses, so the first bonus which I'm offering is a 60-minute one-to-one coaching call with me. So I'm going to do a coaching call with you. We can discuss about any topic of your choice on internet marketing, online business, be it traffic, be it some strategy, be it anything. So I'm giving you an opportunity to book a call with me, and that's absolutely free once you pick up zerobuster. The next bonus which I'm going to give you is I'm going to show you how to drive traffic from Google Ads. So this is the complete Google Ads training which you will get as a part of my bonus. So Cynthia has covered the Instagram traffic, which is the free traffic, and I'm giving you the training on Google Ads, that is the paid traffic. So you are covered with both the free and the paid traffic. The next bonus which I'm going to give you, I'm going to give you 180 days of email follow-up series. So this is going to be very helpful once you start sending traffic to people, once you start capturing the email addresses. Then you need this email series to follow up with those people, to those leads. The next bonus which I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you my content marketing guide. So that is going to be very helpful to you in your business. And finally, all the vendor bonuses which you're going to get, which were right there inside the members area. Now talking about the price point, the front end of zerobuster is going to cost you only $9.95. So in this $995, you're going to get the entire Zero Buster course and all the bonuses which I showed you. The next upsell is Zero Buster traffic, that is for $27, in which she will tell you how, the free and paid traffic sources to promote your new business. The next upsell is the Zero Buster done for you designs for $47, and you will get 5,000 plus designs which are already done for you. So that's a good one. The next upsell is the Zero Buster license rights for $67. So with this license right, you can sell Zero Buster as your own product and keep the 100% commissions. And the upsell number 4 is the one-to-one coaching with Cynthia, that is going to cost you $197. So you will get 1 month coaching where you can discuss about anything you need regarding internet marketing. And I have also got you covered as a part of my bonus. I'm also offering my coaching call with you. So you're going to get that absolutely free once you pick up the front end for just $995. Now let's have a look at the sales page as well, how the sales page looks like. So the sales page says, discover how Cynthia built an online business for free within 30 minutes. That's making her $100 daily. And yes, it is only going to take 30 minutes to set everything up, but the results part, when you will start getting $100 per day, it all depends on you. It all depends on your work ethics, how you follow the training, how you implement the strategy which is being taught inside the training program. So it's not that within 30 minutes you're going to earn $100. So let me make it absolutely clear. You need to get work done before you can make some earnings. And then we have all these good things on the sales page, the usual. So she's also putting up the screenshots which she's earning using this method. And you can earn without even building an email list, without making videos, creating products, tech skills, hard work, and no expenses whatsoever. That's the biggest thing, because many people are looking for an option where they don't have to invest upfront in the business. So this is the option, guys. You have been asking me a lot about what is the free way. This is the free way to get started. That's Zero Buster. So you can have a look at the sales page later on. Now talking about if this product is the right fit for you or not. So if you are someone who always wanted to get into online marketing and they don't have a lot of money to invest upfront, then yes, this is one of the good and one of the best business models to get into, the print on demand, and you are going to learn everything about it. So yes, I highly recommend you going ahead with this product if you are someone who was looking to make some online income through some methods, and you are very much overwhelmed with all the information overload which is out there in the market. There are a lot of different models, guys. There is affiliate marketing, there is e-commerce, there is drop shipping, there's people creating their own courses, products. So, and everyone is teaching one method or another. So I always suggest, guys, you need to stick to one strategy. If you want to go ahead with Zero Buster, print on demand, then stick to this until you get results. So if you follow this strategy, if you follow one strategy consistently, you are definitely going to get results. So it's all about consistency, following the strategy, following the mentor, and following the training. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. And guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.